Yes, if you are managing your incomes from more than one client, more than one country, or even more than one currency, and at the end of the month, you have no idea where your money actually went to, this video is for you. I'm going to show you an exact tool that I built as an ACC accountant. This tool will help you to keep track of your dollar, pound, euros, and even shillings, all in one place, automatically. So, stay with me. Yes, this is Adan, an ACCA qualified accountant. I've spent 7 years in managing financial operations across Eastern and Southern Africa, where I've processed billions of US dollars in terms of international transactions. One problem I kept seeing in small businesses, startups, freelancers, or even sole proprietors, it was not that they were not earning money globally, but the problem has been nobody knew exactly where their money was going to after currency conversion, after other deductions. So I've built something for them, and I've built something for you as well. I've built a professional toolkit. It's called Multi-Currency Finance Toolkit in Excel. It has 9 sheets, that's 2 currency with preloaded rates, an automated P&L, invoice tracker, and cash flow forecast. This tool, it has been built by an ACC accountant, not by a designer, not by a template seller, but an ACC qualified accountant who has managed real finances across real borders. So how can you get this toolkit? It's available for only $29 at the link in the description. It's just a one-time payment, instant download. You will own it forever, and it has 30 days money-back guarantee, no question asked. This tool has been built to a professional standard, which will have cost you hundreds of dollars from accounting firm or specialist. But now it will just cost you $29, a fair and honest price for what is inside. If you own this toolkit, if you currently own this toolkit, or if you purchase, you will get a free feature updates. I'm currently building two products: a cash flow focused model and a business plan financial template. So you'll get even access to these 2 products. Now let's jump into the tutorials. If you are still on this video, you're exactly where you need to be. This is the complete walkthrough of the Professional Multi-Currency Business Finance Toolkit. Our first stop is currency sheet, multi-currency exchange rate. This is what makes this toolkit different from every other Excel template you have seen. It has that 2 currencies, all are preloaded: US dollar, British pound, euro, Kenya shillings, Tanzania shillings, Zambian kwacha, dirham, Australia dollar. Basically, it has all major currencies around the globe. The exchange rates are preloaded, as I said. When the rates changes, you update one cell here at column D, just one cell, and your entire workbook recalculates automatically. Every income entry, every expenses, every P&L figure, everything updates from that one change. This is column D. When you change the rates here, everything changes automatically. This is the power of this module. Update one number, everything else follows. Now we are moving to the next sheet. This is your income tracker. You can see real transaction already entered here. Each row captures everything about a payment received. the date, the client name, the project description, the income category selected from a drop down, the currency, the invoice, the currency, the amount invoiced, exchange rates, amount in USD after conversion, payment status. Now look at the exchange rate. I did not type that amount. It pulled automatically from the currency sheet the moment I selected the currency, and the USD automatically and the USD amount calculated instantly from that rate. So if you are receiving a payment in a British pound from a UK client, you enter the pound amount, the pound amount is 450. The dollar equivalent calculates automatically. No manual conversion, no searching for exchange rate. It happens the moment you enter the amount. Same for Kenya shillings, Tanzania shillings, Zambian kwacha, and the rest. And at the bottom, there's a total figure here. Total income in USD. All currencies converted and summed automatically. One number, your complete income picture. Another benefit of using this toolkit, there's a percentage category. Each revenue stream has a percentage of the total income. For example, our consulting revenue, it summed up 44% of the total revenue. Retainer was the highest, 50% of the total revenue. Product sale, 6.7%. So next sheet. This is your expense tracker. Same principle. Everything converts to USD automatically. You can see the entries already here. This Canvas subscription, mobile money data, mobile data bundle, transfer fees, VPN subscription. Each entered in its original each it's entered in original currency. Each it's entered in its original currency with the category and payment method selected from drop down. Category they are selected from drop down. The category drop down gives you 16 options. 16 options, as you can see. Payment method it has a drop down also. The payment method drop down covers everything you use across in terms of your pay, in terms of doing your payments or purchases. And the currency, you can see the amount local. This is the amount invoiced, the exchange rate, and then there's a column here called billable. One column worth explaining is the billable column, this one. This simply means you can charge this expense back to a client. Let's say, for example, if you buy a domain specifically for a client, okay, that's billable to the client. That money will be, that cost will be incurred by the client. In short, these are expenses that will be tracked back to the client. It will be incurred by the client. So you add it to the invoice and they reimburse you. If you buy your own Canvas subscription for personal use, billable it will be no. For personal use or business, for your business for your business use or a personal use, the billable option will be no, because it's your own operating cost. So for most freelancers, almost everything will be not billable. Down here, there's a row summing up all our expenses. calculated automatically. And then there's an expense category, percentage. Each has percentage of the total expenses. Like for example, professional service. It has that we paid $13. It amounted to that 37% of the total expenses. Internet fees, we paid $14. That's 40% of our total expenses. So basically, this is a breakdown of the expenses in terms of percentage. So next, we're going to invoices. Another sheet. This is your invoice tracker, and this is one of the most valuable sheets for any freelancers or consultant or sole proprietor. Here's the important distinction. The income sheet records money that actually arrived in your account, okay? And the invoice tracker records money that the client owes you. Let me repeat again. The income sheet records money that has actually arrived in your account. The invoice tracker records money that the client owes you, money that you have invoiced but you have not yet received. Every invoice you send, it gets a row here. Date issue, the invoice number, date issued, client name, service provided, the amount, the invoice amount, due date, date paid, payment status. This payment status, it has a drop down of 6 options. You can see. Look at the payment status down here. How many invoices paid? It gives you a summary of how many invoices paid, how many invoices pending, how many due, how many are overdue, the total value of each, all calculated automatically. This sheet answer one question every business owner or entrepreneur or even a sole proprietor ask constantly: who still owes me money and how much? The answer is right here without opening a single email. Now we are moving on. P&L sheets. Now watch this, the profit and loss account statement. I have not entered a single number on this sheet manually. Everything pulled automatically from the income and expense sheet. Total revenue, as you can see, broken down by income categories. The income categories are here. We had 3 revenue streams. And then there's cost of sales, gross profit margin, operating expenses, total operating expenses, operating profit and loss, operating margin, tax, if there's a tax you have to pay, profit, net profit margin, and that's it. So this is a professional standard, an ACCA standard, the same format used in professional financial reporting globally. Generated automatically from your daily entries, 0 manual calculation, 0 formulas error. If you are present, yeah, that's all. Now we're going to cash flow. The cash flow sheet, 12-month rolling cash flow visibility. It's a rolling basis. Total income flows in from income sheet automatically. The total operating income, you can see the sheet is income. We are getting directly from the income sheet. As well for the expenses, you can see the formula is expense sheet. So the net cash flow, it calculates automatically. It's basically it's total operating income less total operating expenses. That's our net cash flow. So another entity that will be manually entered is the opening cash balance. This is the cash at hand you have, the amount you have right now. This amount will be entered manually. So closing cash balance, it will be 2,400. And even it's giving you a ratios here, conversion rates, daily cash at hand, burn rate is cash cycle, cash outflows versus cash inflow. Now you're going to another sheet, financial goal. This is the financial goal tracker. This is the one sheet you update manually each month, and deliberately so. At the start of the month, you set your targets: monthly revenue, expense budget, net profit target, like that, depending on your ambitions or productivity. Then each month you enter your actual figures in the actual month column. First you start by the monthly target, and then this actual figures. It's manually entered. So for example, our monthly target was $1,000. Our revenue target was $1,000, but actual this month we got 1,200. So our percentage is 100%. You can see there's a formula here. A formula. Status on we are doing good. Still there's a formula here. Everything updates automatically. So this sheet is for your financial accountability. It's not automatic. It's manually entered, because it's an engagement. It requires your active engagement. Now we're moving to our last sheet, where the magic happens. Everything we just walked through, the income, the expenses, the invoices, has populated every single card here automatically. Current month, total income, total expenses, net profit, profit margin, cash position, burn rate, financial health. We are doing good. We are profitable. This is what professional financial management looks like for global business owners, entrepreneurs, sole proprietors. It's not complicated accounting software. It's not a complicated accounting software. Not a spreadsheet you build yourself from scratch. A professional toolkit built by a qualified accountant that works the moment you open it. With only $29 one-time payment, instant download at the link in the description. You will get 30-day money-back guarantee. And remember, everyone who buys today get the upcoming cash flow forecast model and business plan financial template completely free when they are launched. That's the 3 professional finance tools for the price of one. So if this walkthrough help you, please like the video. It will genuinely help other business owners find this tool. Subscribe for more honest financial content. See you in the next video.